Good morning, students. I am Sapna Gautam, science teacher, Sarvit Vidya Mandir Fazilka. Students, we have discussed chapter 17, Stars and Solar System, in previous videos, and today we will discuss new chapter, Pollution of Air and Water. So, students, our today's topic, chapter 18, last chapter of science, pollution of air and water. Pollution of air and water. How water and air is polluted, we will discuss in this chapter. So first of all, we will discuss what is air pollution. और उससे भी पहले I will discuss with you कि what is pollution. Pollution क्या होता है? So when harmful substances are added with air, water, soil, then these get contaminated. ये क्या हो जाते हैं? Contaminated due to the impurities, due to the smoke, dust and polluted substances. So when air, water, soil get polluted due to the addition of harmful substances, then this process is known as pollution. This process is known as pollution, and harmful substances are called pollutants. Harmful substances are called pollutants. Means to say, harmful substances which are added in air, water and soil, these substances are called pollutants, and this process is known as pollution. So first of all, we will discuss about air pollution. Air pollution, when air get contaminated due to the smoke, dust particles, gases, air get polluted. Okay, or this process is known as air pollution. Smoke which comes from vehicles, factories, and gases also, industries, इनमें से गैसेस निकलती हैं. और as you know that air consists of mixture of gases. Air consists of mixture of gases like nitrogen, oxygen. Nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, and ozone, dust particle, water vapor, carbon dioxide. Nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, ozone, carbon dioxide, water vapor, dust particles, etc. So carbon dioxide, argon, methane, ozone, water vapor, all these are present in small quantities. So these gases also make the pollution of air. ये सब एयर पोल्यूशन बनाती हैं. व्हेन एयर इज कंटेमिनेटेड, व्हेन so nitrogen, oxygen, ozone, carbon dioxide, water vapor, they comprise mixture of air, and when air is contaminated by unwanted substances which have effect on living and non-living objects, then known as air pollution. And I have told you in earlier, like what are air pollutants. So smoke, dust, forest fire and volcano, forest fire, volcanic eruption, इनसे क्या निकलती है? स्मोक. और pollutants also added to the atmosphere by human activities, like factories, power plant, factories set up by human, factories, power plant, automobile exhaust, burning of firewood, dung cakes, all these are cause of air pollution. And vehicles produce high level of air pollution. How? Let's see. When carbon monoxide is produced, when burning of fuels like coal, wood, इनकी बर्निंग होती है तो इनकम्प्लीट बर्निंग होती है इन फ्यूल्स की. कैसी होती है? इनकम्प्लीट, पूरी तरह से ये कंबस्टिबल नहीं होते. तो इनकी इनकम्प्लीट बर्निंग होती है इन फ्यूल्स की, पेट्रोल की, डीजल की. तो इनमें से पॉइजनस गैस निकलती है जिसे हम बोलते हैं कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड. CO2 भी हार्मफुल गैस है, दैट इज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, क्योंकि इसमें 2 एटम्स ऑक्सीजन के हैं, देन इज डाइऑक्साइड, और इसमें 1 एटम है तो कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड. मोनो मीन्स 1. सो ये पॉइजनस गैस है और ये इट रिड्यूसेस द ऑक्सीजन कैरिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ द ब्लड बाय ब्लड के द्वारा जो ऑक्सीजन को हम एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं, लेते हैं. एयर पोल्यूशन में ये जो गैसेस हैं इनकी वजह से कैपेसिटी कम हो जाती है. एंड अदर थिंग इज स्मोक मीन्स स्मोक प्लस फॉग. सो स्मोक आपको पता है क्या होता है? धुआं. ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन जब एयर पॉल्यूटेंट के साथ, जब ऑक्साइड्स किसके? नाइट्रोजन के. व्हेन ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन कंबाइन with air pollutants and fog, then smog is formed. तो क्या बनता है? स्मॉग बनती है. इट कॉजेज अस्थमा. अस्थमा, कफ, ये मेन डिसीज बच्चों में या बड़ों में भी हो जाती है। और बहुत सारी इंडस्ट्रीज, मैनी इंडस्ट्रीज आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल, मैनी इंडस्ट्रीज आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर कॉजिंग एयर पोल्यूशन। पेट्रोलियम रिफाइनरीज and major source of gases pollutants like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide, they are major pollutants of air pollution. Sulfur dioxide produced by combustion of fuels sulfur dioxide is produced by combustion of fuels and combustion of fuels like coal in power plants, like coal is a fuel, fossil fuel, coal in power plants, okay. So it can cause respiratory problems. And by the smoke there will be many other problems like lung damage, permanently lung damage. So other pollutants, CFC, or we will discuss about CFC and how Taj Mahal is polluted, what is meant by marble cancer, and these topics, other topics, greenhouse effect like greenhouse gases, global warming, we will discuss in next video. So thanks, have a nice day.